Imagine that you're walking through a beautiful art gallery. You stop to gaze longingly at the alluring Starry Night Sky by Vincent van Gogh. You stroll past the soothing Night au Port in the Moonlight by Claude Joseph Vernet. You stroll past the hot summer moonlight of Tom Thomson from the Group of Seven. And then suddenly you stop dead in your tracks. Hey everyone, it's Sue, and this is the final spooky edition of my Inspired by the Master series, where I try to recreate famous paintings, but for this month with a creepy twist. So if you're intrigued and you want to find out which spooky landscape I'm going to be painting today, then let's get started. The Abbey in the Oakwood is an oil painting by Caspar David Friedrich. It was painted between 1809 and 1810. Friedrich was a German romantic landscape artist who was quoted in saying, "The painter should paint not only what he has in front of him, but also what he sees inside himself." The painting is one of over a dozen of his works that include cemeteries or graves. Here we see a group of monks carrying a casket through the door of the ruins of an ancient abbey. The broken window of the abbey and its state of disrepair echo the fleeting existence of man. The great gnarled oak trees in the background, however, are proof that nature is there forever. The newly dug grave is a somber reminder of the passing of time for humanity. The bleak landscape and crescent moon create a spooky atmosphere of despair. This painting is currently on display in Alta National Gallery in Berlin, Germany.